Hey barbershoppers, Bob Calderon here with an update on Harmony Ranch. Remember, it's June 7th and 8th at Texas Women's University. I'd like to tell you about one of the classes that we're going to have that's really special. There's a guy named Artie Dole who's going to teach that class, and that class is about relationships in barbershopping. And you know what? He's had a tremendous amount of success getting choruses to go from 25 all the way up to 105, and he's going to tell you how he did it. It's all about relationships, and he's going to share that with you. Another class we're going to have, which is always a fun class and well attended, is the tag singing class, and here we have Anthony Bartholomew, who's going to tell you about it.
Thanks a lot, Bob. Looking forward and very excited to be teaching the tag singing classes. We're going to have a great time. We're going to learn all the greats and all the exciting old school tags, and also some of the new ones that you probably haven't even heard yet. We're going to do 4 parts and 5 parts and 6 parts. We might even do 20 parts. I haven't even drawn up the curriculum yet. We'll see you there, Texas Women's University, June 7th and 8th.
All right, barbershoppers, see you there.